Jersey. You look wet. Camera might not pick it up, but there's clouds blowing from the right to the left here, overlooking scenic New Jersey. Here we have a beaver pond. And the lodge is somewhere right out there. Made it to the Brinks Road shelter, 14-mile hike. Just walked in the rain the whole time, didn't take a break. The pack-off break was not to be found. Just cold, like 45, maybe 50 degrees, rain constantly. I'm gonna sleep in the shelter tonight for sure. The option would be in the field over there, in the wet grass, and it just looks kind of boggy. But there's a privy and a place to store my food in the bear box. Well, it's the beginning of day 26 apparently. I was exhausted yesterday and was in this sleeping bag about 6 o'clock. I was going to listen to a podcast, but I fell asleep and woke up a few times, but didn't really wake up for real until 7 this morning. So that's 13 hours of rest last night, which is probably something I needed. Supposed to rain today, like over a half an inch, so we're gonna make it a short day and go into town again. I'm glad KJ taught me that I could get off the trail when I'm cold and wet. Slippery rocks. Meanie. A couple of days ago we received a recommendation for Jip's Tavern as a place to eat lunch today. It's a little after 11, so guess it's lunchtime, but I would not have picked this place out driving down the road. Sign says no colors. Does that include neon? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I am currently in Branchville, New Jersey, in a hotel. The weather forecast, was supposed to be a ½ inch to an inch of rain. So we just did 4 miles, and 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. I've showered and I'm dry. When I look out the window, it's not raining. So, could have been out there hiking. Since I want to do 12 miles a day on average, I'm going to have to step it up for the next week or so. Try to get back on schedule. Or not. Well, I take it back. It is cold and rainy. It's miserable out here.